All right. Hey everyone, I'm just gonna try and record a quick video real quick. This is Dan with superstringer.com, and I apologize for not recording a video quicker than this. Hopefully I look okay in this video and I'm not too close. But really what I wanted to do is I wanted to shoot a quick video just to get something up, and I want to talk about storage on a stringing machine. And before I touch on that, just real quick, I apologize for not getting a whole lot of videos uploaded recently. I've been very busy stringing for the Old Dominion University Lady Monarchs. I've had a lot of rackets that I've been selling and moving. My business is growing, and I'm a one-man show. I just changed over my point of sale system and inventory, and everything's been kind of crazy. I didn't realize how long it was going to take for me to do everything, but unfortunately it's taken a while. So with that out of the way, let's talk about storage. So if you have a stringing machine and you want to add some additional storage, this might give you an idea of how to do it. So one of my problems, I don't like this tool tray right here. Things kind of are on top of things. It can slow you down. It doesn't hold as much as I would like. So one of the things that I like to do is I like to have storage on the side. And my old Wilson Bayardo actually had storage on the side of the machine. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and add a little bit extra storage. So what I did is I was able to see that the metal right here, if you go underneath the machine, you can see, and I'll try and get so you can see over here, you can see where the screw is right there for the cup. Basically, I just used a self-tapping screw, and I just went through the inside of the cup and I connected it to the metal frame, and then I did the same thing with this one over here, right there, you can see it. And essentially, that's it. And it gave me a little extra storage, so now I have my string bed cutters, I have my bridge starting clamp, I have my offset awl so I can straighten out the strings, and my pathfinder awl when I get in the tight spots. So I just wanted to share this idea with you. If you're struggling trying to, have your tools in an area that you like, I like to have my stuff pretty close by, then that's definitely a way that you can do it. So hopefully this video helps you. I will definitely get some more videos up in the near future. I have some other string reviews that I did, as well as some play tests. And I also have some videos coming up on machine maintenance and things of that. They've already been recorded. I just have to edit and get them uploaded. So please bear with me as I work to get this done. And hopefully these videos will be coming out in the next month or so, and you'll be able to gain some valuable insight from them. So again, please spread the word on my channel. Like if you haven't on this video, so that way I can create more content, and have a great day out there.